specialize in the repair and installation of artificial grass so you can have a beautiful, lush lawn, no matter the season. Our artificial grass is made with high-quality materials that are designed to withstand heavy foot traffic and last for years. No more worrying about mud or pests. We offer professional installation services so that your lawn looks perfect. Our team of experts have years of experience with installing artificial grass, so you can trust that your lawn will look great. Say goodbye to mowing, watering, and weeding. Our artificial grass requires no maintenance and looks great all year round, saving you time and money. Our artificial grass is easy to install and use, but it's best to have professionals handle the entire process for your convenience.